Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic Flutter package called Path Provider. This package makes it super easy to find commonly used locations on your device's file system, like the temporary directory or the app's data directory. This is crucial for things like saving downloaded files, storing user data, or caching images. Let's dive into the code. I am creating a new project here. You can work on your existing project, remove comments, and add home screen. Let's first add the package by running this command in terminal in your Flutter project directory. Let me show you a few functions provided by Path Provider. The most common use case is storing data specific to your app. Let's see how to get the app's data directory using Get Application Documents directory. This code fetches the app's data directory asynchronously and stores the path in a variable. Running this code will print the path to your console. This is the perfect location to store user data or downloaded files. Let's explore the temporary directory now. Sometimes you might need to store temporary files during your app's execution. Get Temporary Directory helps you with that. This code retrieves the temporary directory path and prints it. This is a good spot for temporary files that can be cleaned up later. Path Provider offers functions for other locations as well, like the external storage directory, if available on the device, and the cache directory. Refer to the pub.dev documentation for details on these methods. Now that you know how to get these directories, let's see how to save a file. We'll use a simple example of saving a text file to the app documents directory. This function takes a file name and content string as input. It then creates a path by joining the app documents directory path with the file name. Finally, it creates a new file object and writes the content string to it. That's it. Path Provider is a powerful tool for managing file system interactions in your Flutter apps. It simplifies the process of finding commonly used directories across platforms, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials.